Okay, now that you have put your other one in the correct place, you're going to want to line up this into the slots where they go. And what you're going to do is make sure they're lined up. You're going to push down. You're going to pry this bracket back in order to allow this pin, the center pin, is going to go down, followed by this side. You're going to pry this back and at the same time push the pad down. It's going to take some force. It's a little bit stuck. There it goes. Oops. You just gotta whack it down and it's down. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and proceed to, once again, not strain this or put it in a weird bend. We're going to slide the caliper correctly into the slot on where it goes to the knuckle. Now that we have the caliper on the knuckle, you might have to pull these back in order to clear the back of the caliper piece right down here. You're going to follow it up with these two 10mm bolts. They're going to go in through the back side of the caliper. Make sure you start it by hand and then proceed to get the bottom one. Start tightening also by hand, and then you're going to torque them down. Once again, I'm going to put the TORQ specs in the description below.